go.
Type shit.
Back out of
She
here.
gripping all of my balls, I gotta move. Type shit. Thomas they cover my flaws, I ain't had to brand new. Type shit. Hell around jump with the best, holla like a new type shit. All of my jeans to say I think I'm over type shit. Put the whole down with the game, that she think she might manage the type shit.
Yet.
Shot that she was the one I would forever have a boss.
Yeah, because busy.
The picket said, homie, playing on muscle, make it type shit. 81 for the teeth, I still ain't smiling for
Thanks for
this.
liking and subscribing this video too. It's my first video. Okay. I'm being the agenda. Out of the way. Okay, faces are gonna come to me, hopefully not. Oh no, you saw me. Oh, chasing me right now. Oh. Gross. Wanna have a quack? Oh. Oh shit, he wants to kill me. I'm not gonna let him kill me. Lock this door. Oh. Can break that door, by the way. Hide here for a minute. I should keep walking. Gotta grab some first aid kit. That's a paraphernalia to face all you. Vampire level 1. I'm not surprised. Gonna heal myself. I'm gonna wave because I think he sees me. Oh my god, face, you ever gonna get away from me? Or are you? Okay, I should use this. Perfect. Ooh, a big first aid. I'm gonna use this. Okay. Someone open this door. I'm gonna grab some poison. Some fog. Looks like one of the killers is over there. Oh. That face doesn't stop chasing me. Oh, yeah. There's a trap in that door, so I can't really do it right now. I gotta hide. Shit, the other face is over there. Was this girl yet? Oh look, it's Anna. Got a bone shot to cut the lockpick? I mean, to cut the trap? Oh, she's doing it great. Oh, you're gonna do it, thanks. Save myself a lockpick. You do that, I'm gonna wait here. See, I see you out of face. Good job, Anna. Oh, hitchhiker. Hope he's not gonna find us. Come on, Anna. Oh shit, this hitchhiker, damn it. Yeah, you can drown with this. Drown my blue fog. I make you weaker, so you don't have to go attack me. I'm gonna go down the well. Oh. Got the freeze box. Oh, Leatherface. Can hear him. Please don't go down in the basement. Oh, what are you able to do? Someone got to stab Grandpa. Shit. I think they're too busy going upstairs, so I'm gonna go upstairs. I don't know where your baby is. Oh shit, someone's holding me. Who was that? I didn't was paying attention. Someone's chasing me. Got myself a first aid kit. Might have to jump down the well with someone keeps chasing me. Gonna hide over here. Oh, it's a sissy. Oh, damn, she saw me. I gotta do the fuse, but I don't know where it's at right now. Might be in that room, I'm not sure. Gonna go out here. Let me go pick this lock pick. Already have before, Grandpa. Gotta hide over here. Gonna go grab myself out of the toolbox. Oh, okay, that's perfect. Now. Okay. So we're gonna go now. I'm gonna have to try to get to the gas station. I mean, door. Oh, Adam. I mean, what's his name? I forgot his name. I knew this game, so I don't know his name. I know I'll play the character. I've been playing a Jinya. Jinya's a really good character to be. We'll pick this rock pick. Takes a while. Keep guard. Oh, shit. Oh, I gotta pick this. Got it. Come on. He's right walking right behind me. Oh, 5. Oh. And I can get us now because I don't know, we're in the gas station. He's dancing. That's really funny. He's dancing. We're almost out of here, so one more time. Make sure to like this video. And I commented. I did good so far for escaping. I'm gonna go play around for a bit, so. Seen the killers yet? Where are they? You can't know what they look like. Oh, he's coming. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here before he kills me. Oh shit, he has a chainsaw. Look at that. He's so fast. See ya, and goodbye.